Hello, my beautiful people. How have you been? Welcome back to my channel, Faxa Kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to show you the recipe that I use in making my creamy mushroom chicken curry sauce. Come along with me, let me show you how I made this. So, first thing first, I will be putting 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in water. This water is about 2 cups of water because I'm cooking a large quantity. So I'm just going to make sure it dissolves in the water. And then I'm going to just set it aside. So now I have my cornstarch water. And another ingredient will be my sliced carrots. I already diced it. I'm also going to be using prawns. I also have my diced zucchini. Also, I have my sliced mushroom. I'm using the dark mushroom. And this is my pepper. I have the red, the yellow, the green bell pepper, and some diced onion. And some diced chicken breast. So what I'm going to do is to marinate my prawns and my chicken breast, and I'll be using my spice mix for this and also my onion powder. And if you don't have onion powder, you can go ahead and just slice some onions on it just to give it that onion flavor. And I'm also adding my chicken fillet. Please, this is a very important step. You don't want to miss out on this step at all because this step enhances the taste of the whole mushroom chicken curry. So please make sure you marinate your chicken very well. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate every one of you. And if you're new here and you like the video that I'm sharing, you like my recipe, please don't forget, drop a comment for me. Let me know that this is helpful, and also give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much. So the next step I'm doing is just to sprinkle some oil in the pot, because now I'm going to start the sauteing of my vegetables. So I'm starting with my onion. I'm just going to keep stirring the onion while on the stove. And now I'll add my pepper. I'm adding the yellow pepper. Then I'll continue with the mixing. So now I'm adding the remaining peppers, and I'll keep mixing it so it doesn't get burnt. So now I'm adding my carrots. And please bear in mind that while we're sauteing, we don't want our ingredients to be too soft. So now I will add my spices. I'm starting with my ginger powder, and I'm adding crayfish powder also. I'm adding black pepper and some curry powder, And I'll continue to mix it together. And now I'll be adding my diced zucchini. I know a lot of people don't use zucchini in their chicken curry, but I just like to give it a twist. And also my mushroom. Do you guys like brown or white mushroom? I think I have a thing for brown mushroom. Comment below, let me know which is your preference. Would you prefer the brown or the white mushroom? So I'm just going to keep mixing my ingredients together, and just bear in mind we don't want this to be too soft. I'm adding a little bit of my chicken pole just to give it some taste. And after a few minutes, I think that's it. Our sauteing is done. I'm just going to take it out of the pot. Guys, you need to be here to smell the aroma. At this point, it's already showing that the food is yummy. So the next step is to put some oil in the pot. I'm using the sesame oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I will be putting my chicken breast. Don't forget I already marinated it. So I'm just going to put it inside the oil and just allow it to cook for some minutes. So I'm just going to flip it when it's the down part is done, so that the other side also can get cooked. And I'll make sure I'm mixing it so it doesn't get burnt. You need to be in this kitchen right now. You need to feel the aroma. This thing is coming together so nicely. Trust me, you can't go wrong with this recipe. So now I'm just going to have my marinated prawn and allow them to cook together for a few minutes. So now after noticing that my chicken is soft enough, I'll just be adding my cornstarch water. And then I'll go ahead and add my garlic paste. And I'm also putting in some soy sauce. Also, I'm adding some ginger powder and seasoning powder. And I'll be adding some curry powder and also crayfish powder. And then I'm just going to mix everything together. You cannot go wrong with this, honestly. The taste is wow. I'll just be adding some water because it's too thick. So I'm just going to cover it for a few minutes and allow it to boil. After a while, I'm just going to check on it. Yeah, this is it. Can you feel that? This is so lovely. So now I'm adding our sauteed vegetables, and I'm just going to mix everything together. And as you can see, our creamy mushroom chicken curry sauce is coming together. Can you feel that? Can you feel it? This is a signature recipe, okay? Just go ahead and try it. I promise you'll like it, honestly. It's so delicious. So I'm just going to taste it now and see. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, so yummy. So now I'm just going to leave it for a few moments and then check back. Yeah, so now we can see our creamy mushroom chicken curry sauce is ready. Ready. As you can see, can you beat that? It's looking so beautiful and it tastes so yummy too. Please drop it in the comment section if you'll be giving this a try. I would love to know. Now we're just going to serve it and enjoy it with our cooked rice and some fried plantain. Go ahead and make this for your families, for your friends. You're going to enjoy it. And guys, please don't forget, give me a massive thumbs up. Drop a comment for me, please. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share with families and friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye.